Hi guys, this is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp, also cards in any shape. Finally, my YouTube channel passes 6,000 subscribers. So wow, it has been a long journey. I remember I launched my first video probably 10 years ago, and then when I created this YouTube channel, I didn't really care about the viewing rate or how many people subscribe to this channel. I created this channel because I like to share all the information to Local King Rubber Stamps customer how to use a Local King Rubber Stamp product. And then create this video is kind of addictive because when I come up with some new idea, I just can't wait to share with you guys, share with my customer and my viewer. Trust me, it's not easy job because it takes the time to record, come up with the project, record this project, and then editing this project. So a lot of steps, but I really enjoy what I'm doing. So finally this channel reached to 6,000 plus, and then I really appreciate all your support. So I made this little pouch for 6 of my top fans, and I would like to give it to them as my appreciation. So they are this Panda image is one of my stamp image called Panda. I designed in 2008, I think. So they have a rubber stamp. The metal diecast is sold out, but the digital image is available. So recently I upload one of the video, and then this is the video. I got 11,000 viewing rate in a very short of time. I have been keep trying to educate all my customer. Digital stamping is fun. It is not just printing digital. I really encourage my customer to combine the rubber stamp with digital image, and then together to have fun. So if you haven't checked out this video, I will put the link below and check it out. I was surprised it get that kind of viewing rate because I think this is just one of my normal video. I have created a lot of video better than this, but the rate is pretty low, but it doesn't really matter. One day I hope you will find my channel and enjoy all the content that I have created for you. So I have one upcoming workshop is scheduled on 23rd. We are going to make 10 cards together, and then this workshop is come with both rubber stamp and digital image. They have a total 28 rubber stamp, and then we are going to use this rubber stamp kit to create 10 cards. And then the second workshop is also scheduled on the October 3rd. We are going to working on the digital crafting. So digital crafting is fun if you know how to do it. And then my mission is to try to keep simple and show you guys how to do it step by step. If you have any question, leave me a comment. I always check my comment, and I really appreciate your comment, your feedback, so that way I will continue to create more content to share with you guys. So I choose 6 top fans from my YouTube channel, and then I'm going to send this pouch to them. So those are the workshop kit. They are the rubber stamp made with the rubber stamp, the raw rubber. And then I think I probably will run another 2 workshop before 2017, and then I am going to discontinue the rubber stamp. So the rubber stamp is no longer available. So I am going to choose the 6 top fans from my YouTube channel, and then most of them I know them well. Most of them they are the Local King Rubber Stamp, the local the regular customer, and then so that's use my phone to find out who are those top 6 So I logged into my YouTube channel and I found out the number one who have left me 1,588 comments. I don't know when did you start the Local King channel. So it's a King in Alaska. She's the record holder. She has left me 1,588, and then I am sending you this pouch. You already ordered your workshop kit, and I will send it together with your order. So I have start to processing the shipping already. So King get one extra heart. You get two hearts. You totally deserve it. The second winner is Margaret from, I think, Virginia. Is Ann Anderson's. So she has left me 346 comments. She is actually, you are the number 3 holder. There's one person have a 3 more common than you. So Margaret is also the regular customer. The second holder is Susie Fix. So she left me 349 comment. Thank you so much. And then is Create to Blast. So June, I don't keep your shipping shipping address. Please send me an email with your shipping number and your shipping address. I will send this pouch to you. And then the next one is Suzanne from Florida. Suzanne, is it Suzanne? Yeah, the Suzanne from Florida, the Dolphin Lover 2. So the Dolphin Lover 2 is or number 5th winner. And then I have a Suzanne's shipping address too. The last winner is going to be 2few100. I don't have your name, so not sure if you have ordered the workshop kit now. So if you watch this video, please send me an email if you have ordered the workshop kit. Let me know your name. Otherwise, please send me an email with your shipping address. I will send this pouch to you. So yeah, so those are the top 6 top fans. They have left me more than 150 comments on my YouTube channel. So I really appreciate to King in Alaska, you're the record holder, 1,588 comments. Sometimes I usually launch my video around the 3 o'clock Pacific time. In just probably 10-30 seconds, I receive a comment from King. So I always teasing her. I say, "Are you glued in front of a computer?" She always laugh. So that's the 6 pouch gift for my royal fan, and thank you so much for support Local King Robert Stamp channel and the Local King Robert Stamp. And then I will continue to create more videos to share with you guys. And please leave the feedback and the comments. Let me know, and I always check my feedback in the comments. And then your support is really mean a lot to me, and then those are just a small gift from me to you. So thank you so much for watching, and then I have a more video coming. Stay tuned. This is Lisa from Local King Robert Stamp, also cards in any shape. See you next time. Bye guys.